Look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it's oil prices today.
You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Hi guys, once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I just thought I would pop in and, of course, take a closer look at oil and some of the things that were going on today. I'm going to be using our dynamic watch list on our crypto screener, and we'll look at some of the futures, and especially today I want to look at oil. Now, you can see at the top of the screener, we've got oil. Also, let's look at the breadth here. I've got everything selected. All this is monitoring 73 different assets. Now, we only see 3 things to the upside, 50 going down. So here's what we got going to the upside. Oil's at the top. I'm going to take a closer look at that on the chart. Hyundai right behind. Right behind that, we've got JP Morgan, the banks. Okay, so it's a rough day. Especially, it is a rough day for the top of everything that's going down, and that is Tesla. They missed earnings today. I saw these guys down about 14%, so it is really rough today. Okay, and just a sec, let's go over here. And one more thing, before I go over to a chart, I want to show you guys something. 0%, 0%. We've never flew like this on a day, and we're not even at the high of the day right now. Okay, what does this mean to me? There are going to be a lot of guys looking for an easy trade, and they're going to jump in and try and ride oil. Now, before you do that, and I'm not saying, hey, we're all big boys here, so do what you want to do. But let's look at some of the things the bigger players and institutions are going to do and what they've done before on a chart. Now, with that said, let's pop over here, take a closer look at oil. Okay, if you look back just 1 week, you can see this little gray area that I've drawn with support and resistance. Let's talk about this for a minute. If sometimes guys are asking, well, how do you do the market maker zones? The market maker zones, really, it's just right here. What are the market makers going to do? There's a big push into a new range. Who can do that push? Only the market makers, only the institutions, only the larger players. So that's what I'm looking for. It was slow because these guys want to try and get some control going on. Okay, well, how far can they get it down? Big push over. There's where we can get it down. 2 bars. Okay, and that's my market maker zone. Now, Russian guys will call these like mother candles because subsequent to these candles, look at all these candles where we're still here in the area. How do you know when the market maker wants to move to another zone? This is the new week. There's that same stair-step push. I'd like to point out this gap here. Okay, the gaps, the first of the week, these guys are just putting something in and they're printing. That's what an old guy used to talk about. Now I'm the old guy. So that's it. They're printing. Sometimes we're going to have to come back down and fill that gap. What's the gap, guys? It's when most of you guys don't have, and myself included, I won't say most of you guys. I'm not a market maker. I've never been a market maker. I've been invited. I asked by a couple of exchanges before. That's just not my thing, man. You know, I won't be out here with the rebels. I won't be part of the revolution. The revolution will not be televised, okay? So, filling the gap, trying to get that control back. It's not terrible, guys, because you just don't want something running all over the place. It's very difficult for anyone to trade. But fundamentals and what's going on in the Strait of Hormuz and all of the chest thumping and back and forth right now, it was a lost cause in my opinion. And we move back up, moving into that range, and now we're just off, guys. Just look, Team Rocket blasting off again. Okay, there's another attempt to pull back to that moving average. It just ain't happening. We move up to here. This is statistically, this is well into the high of the week, and they done a great job. Everyone trying to control the markets doing a great job, because it's, as I record this, it's Thursday. It's going to turn Friday UTC. So at least we're at the end of the week, and they made attempts. There's an attempt. There's an attempt. But fundamentals just not changing. So much hyperbole and rhetoric going around now. Very difficult. This is why I say there's more even than the chart. Some people think I'm a pretty good technical trader, but when you can match fundamentals and peep what's going on the scene, then this is what's going to take your trading to the next level. When it's not just numbers, it's not just candles, when it's a story that you can read and understand playing out on the charts. Okay, that's all, guys. I just wanted to pop in here, show you guys what's up with oil, make my Superman joke, and I'll be on my way. If we've helped you, please help us. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. You can check out our screeners, Forex and crypto and stock futures and commodities at our site. See you when I see you. Peace.